What is up, everybody? Welcome back, Foxbody Garage. First and foremost, I like to thank everyone for watching, subscribing, commenting. Today's episode, or disaster, however you want to look at it, is going to be breaking down the 5.0 302 hydraulic roller small block Ford. Let me get some tools ready and we'll start pulling the intake, the distributor, and all that stuff. Maybe I could leave you running for a little bit. I don't know. Shitty equipment. My camera shuts off on its own. I don't know what it does. It blinks. I don't know. The battery. So I have it plugged into the AC wall. Let's see how long it runs. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for subscribing. For all you new subscribers, guys, hit that notification bell. Get the updated videos. And this is build series, I guess, part 1 to breaking down the Ford small block Ford. Let's get to it. All right. First and foremost, let's pull the headers off. Let me get, don't shake the camera around. You know the camera work's not the greatest, but you get the picture, guys. Hopefully everybody had a nice Christmas. It is New Year's weekend, Saturday. Tomorrow's New Year's Eve. And Monday's New Year's Day. And lucky Pierre, I gotta work. It's my holiday pick. I'm a union elevator guy for those who you don't know. And I got New Year's. Could have been worse, could have been Christmas. So let's pull off the headers, which they're off already. Excuse me. Let's see what we need for the intake. Or let's get the distributor out. How about that? Let's pop this distributor out. I believe it's a 13. Or a ½ inch. It depends what you think. Yep, ½ inch, 1 bolt. Let's get this out of here. When this car originally came, I don't know if you guys watched the previous video I had. When this car previous came, it had a bad distributor. It was towed in here. My buddy Danny, he's another great guy, elevator man. That's why I'm doing this for him. His distributor came no good. I flopped the modules. If you can see, I wrote good on it, on the TFI. And I got this distributor out of a junkyard, a pick and pull. And it's been laying around forever because I know the stock distributors are the best. If you buy an MSD or Dora Spark or whatever they got, Axel, whatever it is, if you got a stock distributor, rebuild it, keep it, it's the best one. In my black car is a 408, it's a stock distributor. The car makes 850 horse, never had a problem with the distributor. I bought a brand new MSD distributor, I put it in, and the car would backfire, would start, not start. I pulled it out, put the stock one back in, just changed the pickup, and everything was good. So distributor's out. Let's put this on the side here. Let's see. We got the salt and pepper. Let's try to get the intake off. I believe that is also a 13 or ½ inch, however you want to look at it. There's a couple of hoses that goes through the water passage on the throttle body. I usually bypass them instead of me walking back and forth. Just wheel the tools over here. That's what's great about the Harbor Freight car. I gotta tell you guys also, where am I? There I go. I gotta tell you guys also, for the money, this is the best DIY toolbox you could get, in my opinion. Okay, what are we doing? We need a screwdriver. Let's get this off, these hoses. Let's take it right from the water rail. So, where's the other side? Over here. Let's get this off. Let's see if we can get this intake off. If anybody has any use for the stock stuff, let me know. Leave a comment. It's available. If you come and pick it up, you can have it for free. If I gotta ship it, you gotta pay the ride. Let's see what we got. Boys should be coming up today soon. We'll see what happens. Alright, we got the two hoses off. I want to take off the salt and pepper shaker without breaking the clip. It looks like this car had two salt and pepper shakers. This must have been an add-on from Ford or something, because we used to have the pin problems with the salt and pepper shakers. I don't know if I can't move the camera, otherwise I show you in detail, but the black and white plug that goes in the back, they made extensions for some reason from Ford, because there was problems with the connections of the salt and pepper shakers. So let me get this intake off. I'll turn you back on and we'll go from there. Stand by, we'll be back. Alright guys, we're back. Intake is off. The boys should be here any minute. Uncle Peter's here. Oh, look what we got. Oh, wait, we're caught. What are we caught on? We got a vacuum line. Oh, that's for the pollution pump. Gotcha. Oh, here it is. Look at the valve for the pollution pump. Let's keep that all together for now. But we got a nest. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let's see. Typical. There's a stock intake right here. You see inside the hole? I don't know if you guys are picking it up. Everybody has idle air, surgeon idles and all that stuff. You see inside here? From the factory, they put a hole in there, in the butterfly. Are you picking it up? You see the hole there? From the factory, they put a hole there to stop the surgeon idle. Everybody, oh, my idle's up and down. It's surgeon, it's surgeon. From the factory, guys. That's why I told, I don't know, there was a Facebook post or TikTok or something like that. And I told them, I said, what kind of throttle body you got? I said, drill a little hole in the blade of the throttle body. And the guy told me, oh, you're crazy. I own two of these cars, brand spanking new. And this is a bone stock car. Nobody's ever been in this car. So if you have surgeon idle problems, right there, drill the little hole on the one side of the plate and you're good to go. And this car is a mass air car. It's a 91. So hopefully that's a little tech tip that'll help you guys out. That takes care of that. Now look at this. Somebody's been living rent-free for a while. Let me get a garbage bag. The boys are here. Let me clean off this stuff here. Like I said, I can't even take you off the tripod because of the battery. The camera goes off. Maybe I could zoom in a little better. Let's see. How's that? Too much? Look at this, guys. I really want to take you off, man. Look. I want you to see. Somebody was living here, man. Somebody was living here. Let me get the vacuum, clean it all up, and I'll be back. All right, guys, welcome back. We're getting down to the nitty-gritty. We got the intake manifold off. As you've seen in the last clip, we had some creatures living in the intake manifold. The good thing is they did not eat any wires. Let me give you a quick view. I left it all together, all in one piece with the rails and everything. When we assemble, we'll be replacing a lot of this stuff, probably fuel rails, injectors, all that nice stuff. But the creatures did not eat our wiring, which is good because that's most important. We're trying to stay away from a Holley EFI because that'll be a whole new project in itself, which I'm not looking to do. So, as you can see, you push on the rockers and the lifters are still pumped up. A lot of people push on and they're like, oh, the rock is loose, the rock is loose. Well, the rock is loose because it's not holding oil. So if it's not holding oil, either the lifter collapsed, or if it's a flat top camshaft, you got a rounded lobe. But these are all nice and tight, which is good. So that means the lifters are good. And I'll be honest with you, with the new lifters and stuff, the junk, I might just clean these and reuse these because I bet you these are better than the ones you could go buy brand new. That's just my opinion. Unless you're spending money for heavy duty lifters, you know, expensive ones. Even though I know a buddy of mine who just did that and he had 2 lifters in the set, brand new. I forgot the brand and I don't really know the brand. I forgot what they were called. And he had a problem with the lifters and also with the push rods. To make sure that the hole in the push rod is all the way through, we found one push rod that wasn't drilled all the way through, and that's what was causing a tick also. So let me get cracking here. I took the water pump off already. You got that here, right here, bang, boom, wham, bam, thank you, ma'am, real quick. Amazingly, the water pump bolts are not rotted and corroded from being steel into aluminum and making that chemical reaction. And also, this motor had a leak. The owner was telling me he thinks it's the rear main seal. And we found, either from the factory, I don't know if this is a factory or not, but we found the China rail seal wasn't put in place properly. And that's where his leak was from. I believe that's what I'm sticking to. That's what I found so far. So if you can kindly, and you stuck around this long, and we have a few more clips of us breaking down this motor, don't forget, guys, hit that like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. Come on. Cost you nothing, helps us out. I'm tired of saying it costs you nothing, it helps us out. Anyway, so let me rip the heads off and we'll see how far we get for today. Once again, Foxbody Garage. When I do put this back together, we're going to do step-by-step detailed information. I don't know if we're going to rip the motor apart and do a stroker. I know I want to do a 347, but the owner's not really thinking about it yet. Actually, I didn't reach out to him yet, to be honest with you. So, let's see what we got when we take it apart, and we'll go from there, one step at a time. Here's the other China rail from, I guess, the factory. If you guys know, it comes like that. It looks like a Velcro, you know, China rail gasket, but it's black. Usually the Velcros are blue. I don't use them. I use silicone, man. They just leak. You don't put them on right, they leak. It's a pain in the ass. So, with that said, guys, let me get the rockers off and the heads. And I'll turn you back on in a minute, all right? Stay back. All right, guys, what's up? We just took the bolts out for the timing chain and the oil pan. Let's see if we can get it up and see what kind of sludge. This is going to determine what we're going to do. Are we going to rebuild it? We're going to leave it alone? We're going to re-ring it? We're going to stroke it? We don't know. Oh, look at that. That's off easy.
It's simply marvelous.
Let's get those rails out of here. Ah! We got the rails for the pan. Put that over there. Wow.
Sweet.
Look at that. Clean. Clean is right. I don't see no metal, no nothing. Looks like the owner did oil changes, or it's really a 60,000 mile automatic 5.0 with no abuse. Check that out, guys. So, let's see. Yeah, it's a bone stocker, that's for sure. We get you off the iPad here. Let's see how we can do this. There we go.
There we go. You just dropped the phone off it. There's your phone on the floor.
No sludge at all.
Is the phone going to work with it down on the floor?
I don't know. You can pick it up if you like. Would be really nice.
Hello?
Uncle Peter, he's another one.
Yeah. What do you expect?
There's another one.
Is it working?
Yeah.
Holy Jesus.
Uncle Peter's a pisser.
Oh.
So that's what we got.
That's end the story.
Let's see.
Okay.
Yep. Maybe we just do an oil pump, pick up, put it back together.
Even the double roller looks fine.
We could probably take that off. You could pull the timing chain cover off. The timing chain cover should come right off. You can pull it right off. There you go. Put that over there on top. The chain is a little slappity slap, but not horrible. That's not horrible at all. I don't know if you guys are picking it up. That's not horrible at all, man. So, that's probably going to do it for today. That's today's video, guys.
Got a barbecue.
And we're going to go from there. I'm going to reach out to the owner, my boy Dan. Let him know what we think. He's probably watching, so give me a call, Dan. Let me know what you think. You want to make power, we stroke it. You want to freshen it up, re-ring. Maybe put a set of pistons. If we go that, if you're going to put pistons, we might as well stroke it. I don't know. We'll find out what we do. Stay tuned for the next Foxbody Garage. Until next time, guys, Happy New Year. Have a wonderful, wonderful 2024. It only got to get better. Until the next time, peace.